When installing the Helicommand and using the mounting bracket, please make sure that the bracket is rigidly fixed against any movements. In any case, only use the supplied double-sided foam tape and only 2 stripes right at the bottom and the top of the Helicommand. The unit must be agile against vibrations, so do not use simple adhesive tape. Only install the unit on a solid position like the tail boom and never on parts like a canopy. The optic needs an unobstructed view to the ground. So make sure there is no antenna cable or any other obstacle getting in the sight of the optic. The sensor should be mounted as high as possible. This leads to a smooth stabilization near the ground when flying in position mode. In any case, it is recommended to lift off or land in horizontal and not in position mode. You can engage the position mode when the helicopter is up in the air. If you want to use the unit inside a scale canopy, for example, and you do not want to use the optic, simply take a black piece of tape and cover the optic. In this case, it will not work even if position mode is engaged. Connecting the RC module to the receiver is the first step we will do. You can see the different cables coming out of the RC module. These are the receiver cables. We will connect them to the receiver in the order as explained in the manual. Each of the cables will be connected to the receiver port where the designated signal is transmitted. So the first one is the aileron cable. This will be connected to the receiver port where the aileron signal is transmitted. In this case it's port 1. The second one is the elevator. So connected to the receiver port where the elevator signal is transmitted. In this case it's port 2. The third cable is the collective pitch. It's the orange cable. The orange cable, the collective pitch, is connected to the port where the collective pitch is transmitted. This is port 3. The fourth cable is the tail. This is connected to the receiver port where the tail signal is transmitted. So in this case it's port 4. In case you use an external gyro, skip this step and leave the cable away. So now we connected all the main functions, elevator, aileron, collective pitch and tail, from the RC module to the receiver. As you can see, we have 2 more cables, the green one and the gray one. The green one is the pilot channel, which enables you to control the stabilization functions of the Helicommand from your radio control unit. The signal for the pilot channel is transmitted on channel 5. This is where we set the slider on the radio. So we connect the green one to channel 5. The auxiliary cable from the RC module, the gray one, will be connected to channel 7, as this is the channel where we transmit the auto-trim and gyro signals. The long lead from the RC module is the connection to the Helicommand itself. This one will be connected to the Helicommand's 4-pin port with the black cable to the outside.